Good morning dear students, it's your maths period and today we will do story sums. Page number 30. Story sums. First we will read the story, then we will understand what we have to do in it. Then we will arrange the numbers and when whatever the story told us that you have to add or you have to subtract, we will do according to the story. Okay, first I am reading story number 1. It is already solved, but I am reading. A bus started with 32 children. Later, 27 children got in. How many children were there in the bus altogether? Whenever the word comes all together, we will add the numbers. Okay. So, bus started with the 32 children. When the bus started, there were 32 children inside it. Later on 27 children got in. Now 27 children more got in. How many children were there in the bus? He is asking them now how many children are there. So what we will do? We will add both the numbers. First we will arrange the numbers. 32, number 1, 32. And later on, how many children got in? 27. We will put the sign plus. Okay. Now we will add. First, we will add from the ones side. Always remember, whenever we add, subtract or multiply, we start with ones place. Remember it. We start with ones place. So, we will start from ones place. What is the number? 2 and 7. We have to add 2 and 7. So here are lines on our fingers. We will count and then we will add. First we will count 1 and 2. We will put thumb here. Now what is the number? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ऐसे आपको करना है फिंगर लाइंस. सबसे पहले 2 है तो 2 यहाँ थंब रख लिया हमने हमारा. फिर 7 है तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. फिर से हमने थंब रख लिया. अब हमारी सारी जो लाइन्स हैं उनको हमें काउंट करना. नाउ वी विल काउंट ऑल द लाइन्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So we will write 9 under the ones place. Now we will add the numbers of tens place. 3 and 2. Now again we will use the same method. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what is the number? 2. 1 and 2. We will put the thumb here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So the number is 59. तो क्या आंसर आया हमारे पास? How many children were there in all together? 59 children were there in all together. All together कितने बच्चे थे? 59. तो हम लिख देंगे children all together. ठीक है? This is the story number 1. It is already solved, but we have solved it again. Now story number 2. I am reading the story. Rohan has 24 crayons. How many crayons Rohan has? 24 crayons. Number 24 crayons. His sister Meena has 24 crayons. Rahul has 24 crayons and his sister Meena has also 24 crayons. So we can write here Rahul and Meena has crayons. Now how many crayons do they have in all? मैंने पहले भी बताया था, whenever the word comes all together, we add the numbers. So what we will do? We will add Rohan's crayons as well as Meena's crayons. So we will put the sign plus. Whenever we add, we put the sign plus, and here ones and tens O and ones place and tens place. Now what we will, from where do we start? We will start from ones place. Okay. So what are the numbers? 4 and 4. Whenever we were learning tables, I told you that when the numbers are same, we can use the table also. How many times 4 are there? 2 times. 4, 4. How many times? 2 times. 4 2s are 8. So we can write here 8. अगर आपको ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो we can count on the finger lines also. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we will write 4 plus 4 8. Now 2 plus 2. The numbers are again same. 2 2s are 2 की टेबल तो सबको आती है ना. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 and 2 4. So how many crayons are there in all? 48 crayons. Okay. Now story number 3. 20 birds live in a garden. In winter, 33 birds come in. How many birds does the garden have in winter? 20 birds live in a garden. In a garden, 20 birds already live. In winter season, 33 birds come in. जब winter season आता है तो 33 birds आ जाती है. 20 already वहाँ रह रही है. How many birds does the garden have in winter? How many birds? Now we will count the number of birds. Here, story number 3. 20 birds live in the garden and 33 birds come in. We will arrange this number like this and we will put the sign of addition plus. Here it is O, that is ones place, and T is tens. Okay. Live in the garden and come. 33 come. Okay. So now we will count 0 and 3. We will start from which place? Ones place. Remember it. Whenever we start addition, subtraction, multiplication, always start from ones place. Okay. So we will count 0, 3. 0, nothing. 3. 1, 2, 3. Whenever we add 0 with the number, the answer would be the number itself. So we will write the 3. जब भी हम 0 में किसी नंबर को या किसी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करते हैं तो जो नंबर होगा वही हमारा आंसर रहेगा. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. क्लास 1 में भी हमने ये चीज़ सीखी थी. नाउ टेंस प्लेस 2 plus 3. 1 2. Put the thumb. 1 2 3. Put the thumb. 1 2 3 4 5. The answer is 53 words. Okay. So today your homework is story number 4 and 5. I am reading and explaining. Okay. Then you will do as homework 4 and 5 in the book only. Do not do it in the copy. Okay. Tanvi has 2 packets of toffees. One packet has 45 toffees. The other packet has 44. How many toffees does she have all together? Again the word comes all together. It means we have to add the toffees number. Okay. Number 5. On her friend's birthday, Mala blew up 26 balloons. Radha blew up 23. How many balloons did they blow up all together? Again the words come all together, all. So we have to add the balloon number of balloons 26 and 23. Arrange 26, 23. Start from ones place. Put the sign of addition and then write the answer, and then whatever the come answer, write balloons also. Okay. So your homework is story number 4 and 5. We have done in the board 2 and 3 and 1 is already done. Okay children. होप आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. नहीं आया तो हम जूम मीटिंग में और इस चीज़ को डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके.